think Daikanyama is one of the most fashionable cities in Tokyo. And last May 2nd, I went there to see my friend. Before walking around the city, we went into a coffee shop called Bluebottle Coffee. The interior design was pretty modern, made from concrete, and it was matched with its surroundings. Hi everyone! If you're new here, my name is Nico. I'm an artist and designer, and here in YouTube I have been posting cover songs and some original content as well. And this is my second vlog, and today I'm gonna walk around in Tokyo, especially in Daikanyama, which is my favorite. In Daikanyama, there are so many little tiny fashionable shops scattered. And it's so interesting and fun to just walk around and find a hidden gem in this area. But it's a bit rainy today, so before heading out, me and my friend dropped by Bluebottle Coffee near the station to recharge our energy. And it was first time I visited there, and now I'm obsessed with the design and the atmosphere that the space has. So if you have any chance, I highly recommend you to visit here. And today I'm looking for some gifts for my friend and my mom, so yeah, let's go!
これかわいい。
紙みたいな紙じゃないやつ。
そう。結構可愛くない？
羊羹なんだこれ。
羊羹売ってんだね。
ね。
可愛い。
これにしようかな。羊羹。
なんかいいね、おしゃれだし。なんかマグカップとかだとなんかすごいあれかな。なんか定番感。
わかるかも。
After a few hours, we arrived at Nikon. Nikon is a general store that sells unique and stylish items. Most of them have a casual design and are great as gifts. We walked from Daikanyama all the way up to around Shibuya, but I was still struggling what to get for gifts. But I've got some inspiration, so maybe I'll get something later. Three days later, I went to Showa Kinen Park with my friend. The park is located across Tachikawa and Akishima in Tokyo, and I heard that it was designed under the theme of restoring greenery and enriching humanity, offering a wide range of recreational activities in a rich, natural environment. In the park, I bought this little cookie and cream ice cream. It was so milky and tasty, but it was a bit expensive. I feel the price of things is getting higher in Japan, and I think it's important for us to save some money for the future, because we don't know what will happen in the future. But it was so nice to have some ice cream under the open wide sky on the grass while talking with my friend. So yeah, that was so nice moment. By the way, there were actually some reasons why I went to the park. Of course, it was meant for meeting up with my friend and having some relaxing time, but I have another special reason. I'm writing a new song and it's still in the middle of the process, and the song is relevant to flowers. And I thought that the photos or images of flowers will be needed. So if I can film some nice takes, maybe I will use it for my music videos or album covers or something like that. But I'm doing this voiceover afterwards, so I know how it ended. And I didn't expect, but the park was super packed. I think that's just because I went there on a day of Golden Week. Golden Week is just kind of like a little longer holidays in Japan. I didn't know that the park was that popular, but I was able to film some chill vibes in that park. So maybe I will use some of them for my music video or visualizer. And yeah, there were tons of people like Disneyland, but it was definitely enjoyable. So yeah, come along with me.
気持ちいいなぁ。都会にもこういう開けた場所がやっぱ必要なんだよ、みんな。
沿岸の浜かご利用中のお客様に閉園時間のご案内を申し上げます。当公園約45分後、午後6時閉園です。6時になりますと、すべてのお出口、すべての駐車場、閉門となります。
マジ？
どうぞ6時までに各お出口にご到着いただけますよう。そろそろお帰りのご準備、各お出口へのご移動をお願いいたします。繰り返し、みんなの話したご利用のお客様、ネモヒラ畑とご散策中のお客様に閉園時間のご案内です。
ちょっと渋谷に行きたいんですけど、
当公園約45分後、午後6時閉園です。6時になりますと、すべてのお出口、すべての駐車場を閉門いたします。どうぞ6時。
After a bit of walking and shopping in Shibuya, we decided to have dinner before heading home. I really like to walk around the city at random, but I'm so bad at finding a nice spot, especially a restaurant. But these days I'm in the mood to explore some new places, so if I could find a nice place, I would share it with you guys in the future. And this time, we went to a restaurant called Famires, I guess. I'm not sure how to pronounce it. And I thought that this name is a bit weird, because in Japan, famirest is short for family plus restaurant, and it refers to a very general concept of a restaurant targeting normal families. So I was curious about the reasons why they named it, and I searched for it and found that the restaurant is a family restaurant for the new era, trying to create a place where a new culture is born. That's so interesting. I finally decided to eat a rice omelette, and it was so creamy and melty. This restaurant was located in a big building, but I think in Tokyo there are some cities like Daikanyama, Nakameguro, Yutenji, and so on that has a lot of cute little restaurants, cafes, and shops that are privately owned. And one of my biggest dreams is to have a small shop like that in Tokyo when I get older. I'm not sure, but I think it might be something like a cafe combined with a music studio or an art gallery. I got this feeling about a year ago when I held my graduation exhibition. I held it with my friend at the gallery near Yutenji Station. The exhibition featured art like photography, design, and contemporary music. And I found it really interesting to interact with people and hear their own perspectives on art and music. That experience made me think how exciting it would be to have a shared space like that somewhere in Tokyo. And I'm sure it would be fun to talk more about it and share some of the art I made at that time. I also took a few photos of the exhibition, so maybe I'll include it in a future vlog if you're curious. Anyway, today's vlog is about to end. Thank you so much for watching. All my links are in the description below, so I hope to see you there too. Alright, peace!